everyone. Welcome again to my classroom. This is Teacher Tinitine or Teacher Tuanya or Mrs. Tuanya, okay, who is your teacher for English 9. So last time in our first video clip, okay, or video lesson, we talked about or introduced the author and the literary text. So before we go on in discussing the text itself, it is very important that we unlock vocabulary words first. So these words, okay, I know you have encountered it upon the first reading of the poem, okay, and I know you'll find it some of these words you find it very difficult. So today we're going to discuss the meaning of each word. So again, module 1, lesson 2 rather, is all about the Seven Ages of Man by William Shakespeare. And our objectives is to provide words and expressions appropriate for a given situation. So the words that we're going to discuss today are taken from the Seven Ages of Man, which is basically a Middle English words. So we're going to look for the contemporary meaning or the modern meanings of these words using picture clues. So can you identify the meaning of the following words using the picture clues? Okay, let's see. Okay. So the first word that we have is the word meowling. Meowling. Okay. What do you think is the meaning of the word meowing? Look at the picture. What is the child doing? What do you think is she feeling? If you answered that the child is crying, then you are correct. Now let's go to the second word. So the second word is whining. Whining. Look at the hands of the child. What is she doing? Look at her mouth. What is she doing? Okay, if you answered that the word whining means complaining, then again you're correct. Next one. The next word is puking. Puking. So what do you think is the smiley doing? This is a very famous smiley. Okay. What is dripping in her mouth or in the mouth of the smiley face? Okay. What do you think it is? Were you able to guess it? If you answered that the word puking means drooling, you are correct. If you were not able to get it, then now you know what puking means. Next word, furnace. Furnace. What is that? Is it all about Christmas wreath? How was the word furnace in the selection or in the text used? The word furnace was described as somewhat related to lovers. What is common to a furnace and to lovers? If you answered that furnace means fireplace, then you are again correct. Furnace means fireplace. Next, part. Oh, it's a baby part. Okay, what kind of cat does have spots? Do you think it is a wild cat or a tame cat? Okay. Where do you usually see part? A part is a short word for the word leopard. So a leopard and part are the same. It just so happened that the word pard is a shortened word for leopard. Next, let's go to the next word. Okay, what do you think is the next word? The next word is the word sauce. Sauce, sauce. Look, learn to live to love to the fullest. What do you think is the meaning of the word sauce? Okay, if you answered sauce are wise sayings or quotations, then you are on the right track. Next word, pantaloons. Pantaloons. Wow. What do you think is the word? What does the word pantaloons mean? Remember the word leopard is, okay, is a longer version of the word part. How about this one? What do you think is the meaning of pantaloons? What's the modern word for it? If you answer the word pantaloons means pants, then you are correct. Take note of the words. Some of them are shortened and some of them became longer. Next word is spectacles. Spectacles. Oh, I have spectacles also, especially when I'm reading. What do you think is the word spectacle all about? If you said spectacles means eyeglasses, then you're right. Next word, shrunk. Shrunk. Okay. What part of the body is it? What's in the picture? If you said that the word shrunk means legs, then you are right. Legs and shrunk are the same. Next, suns. Suns. Do you see anything? If you don't see anything, what do you think is the meaning of the word suns? Suns means none. None or nothing. So suns means nothing. So that ends our vocabulary study. Okay, go to our next lesson. Please make sure that you read again the poem Seven Ages of Man by William Shakespeare. Goodbye and see you in our next video lesson. Keep safe.